Is there a fighter, Brew? I'm betting against you.
Oh, you're betting against me?
Oh, you think you're some sort of wise guy, huh?
He's squirrely. He's eating squirrely right now.
Some type of wise guy.
Alright.
Hey.
Don't make me choke suicide.
You're the world champion, you know.
Huh?
You know that you're a world champion.
Yeah, that's right. That's why he's fucking with the wrong fucker.
You know that.
Disrespected my mother. And her sauce.
And her sauce.
I'm gonna beat his ass.
Yeah, your mother's sauce sucks.
Hey, did you ever try it?
It's the wrong day, pal!
See? You're causing this violence.
If this was a table, I'd flip it, asshole.
It is a table. It's a counter.
There's a difference. There's a difference, brother.
Why don't you go to the bathroom and cry about it, bro?
Hey.
Wait, you're gonna come in the office, okay?
I'm not, you're the one crying.
You're gonna come in the office,
You're the one.
baby.
You're the one crying.
Hey, if you're gonna scrape that crap off your shoes, do it somewhere else. There's people stand there.
Well, gonna come in the office.
Don't kick it all over the counter. What's the matter with you? Mother-Honk? Mother-Honk?
Well, he called me a honk.
Mother-Honk?
Where you going?
Where are you going?
I didn't dismiss you!
Uh-oh. It's going down.